Wanted to double your Samsung battery life with a zero app fit? You need to disable these 5 power hunger features immediately. Number 3 will definitely surprise you. Number 1 is the hidden battery calibration. Open your phone dialer and enter the secret code showing on your screen to access the system menu. Scroll down and tap on battery status reset. This recalibrates your battery sensor to factory level, fixing those sudden percentage drops and ensuring your hardware is running at the peak efficiency. Number 2 is printing services drain. Go to settings, then connections, then more connection settings. Tap on printing and turn off default printing services. Your phone is searching for a printer 24/7 even when you are nowhere near one. Turning this off saves constant background pulling. Number 3 is the system personalization drain. Go to setting, tap on general management, then select customization services. Open customized app and turn off every single toggle in this list. This stops Samsung from constantly analyzing your specific data within each app to build a profile on you, giving your hardware a much needed break. Number 4 is advanced motion wake-ups. Go to settings, advanced features, and then motion and gestures. Toggle off lift to wake. While convenient, this keeps your accelerometer active 24/7 and cause accidentally screen on cycles in your pocket, destroying your standby time. Number 5 is ultra-wide band radio. If you have a high-end Galaxy, go to your settings, then connections, and toggle off the ultra-wide band, unless you use a smart tags or digital car key daily. Keeping this radio active is an unnecessary drain on your battery life. Share this video with your friends who is tired of carrying a charger everywhere and follow for Samsung battery hacks.